Here's an idea for you. Why not use a paid-to-click site like Cashcrate? On Cashcrate, you can earn extra cash and get paid to try new offers. So what are some of the ways to earn money on Cashcrate? You can do offers, complete surveys, make some purchases, or earn money by referring the site to your friends. And you can earn prizes for playing games and socializing or winning contests. These people are earning money right now. So go ahead and join now. You'll be taken to the sign up screen. They need a bit of information on where to send your money. Then you can answer a few questions and get some money straight away. And you even get more money by just completing your member profile. And once you're in, take a look around and see what sort of money you can earn. You can earn money for surveys. And in fact, that's pretty good money for surveys compared to other pay-to-click sites. And there's plenty of them. You can also complete offers and refer your friends or watch videos. You just need to earn $20 before you can get your first check. So do you think you can earn money on Cashcrate? Of course you can. Just sign up and give it a try. And you'll earn money just for signing up. Sounds easy, doesn't it? Anyway, that's it for today. Please subscribe and bye for now.